must have gone and lost my mind. Fall in love so hard and fast. Slow down, boy, and take your time. But if I do, someone else might come along and steal your heart. Then what good would patience do me when the rest of me be falling apart? I can't help myself. It's got to be up. I couldn't ever love anyone else. And though I know that someday you may leave me, I'll take the chance to fall in love completely. I can't help, just can't help myself. And sometimes I feel my mouth works on its own without my hand. I think of so many things to say, but something else comes out instead of me telling you just how bad I need you. Now